Hello everyone. My name is Felicia from Winfrey.
So today I would like to introduce to you this very portable LED display. Now I'm holding one of the modules of this LED poster display, and its lamp width spacing is p2.5. And the size is 320 millimeter and 160 millimeters. So on the back of the module, point this arrow upwards. Plug in the data transmission cable. Power cords are also on the street. The arrows are still pointing upwards, magnetically attached to the body. So that's the overall effect after installation. So yeah, you can use multiple screens to display a video footage. So I'm going to show you how to play it. Connect the Wi-Fi signal sent by the video processor and enter the password. Open the mobile app so we provide. Enter the Wi-Fi password just now and connect the video processor on the app. Add the video footage, whatever you want to play. Fill in the resolution of your screen here. Select video. Click send in the top right corner. Confirm to send, then wait a few seconds. Like the sending was so successful, and the screen has been replaced with iron.
我又来了啊
So the one in front of me is 640 and 1,920 millimeters, and it can be displayed separately. There are 4 scroll wheels under the screen for easy movement. So, of course, this is just one of the ways to change the material. That's all for today.